Hi everyone. The question is the remainder when the polynomial 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 6 plus so on and so forth plus x to the power 22 is divided by 1 plus x square plus x cube plus so on and so forth plus x to the power 11 is. So here since you are dividing by a degree 11 polynomial, the remainder would be a polynomial with the highest possible degree 10. Yeah. And what about this polynomial? If you see carefully, you can take 1 plus x square common and you get what, or let me write it a bit elaborately. You can write this as what, 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 6 plus x to the power 8 plus x to the power 10 plus so and so forth plus x to the power 20 plus x to the power 22. There are 12 such terms you can see. So here 1 plus x square you can take common, and from the first bracketed expression you get 1, from second you get x to the power 4, then you get x to the power 8, x to the power, let me write completely, x to the power 12, x to the power 16, x to the power 20. Now these are 6 terms, and if you see carefully, these two and these two, if you consider, you can take 1 plus x to the power 4 common. So you get what? You get 1 plus x square, 1 plus x to the power 4, and from the first pair of terms you get 1 out, or 1 common, whatever you may want to say. From the second you get x to the power 8, and from the third you get x to the power 16. Yeah. Now similarly, let's comment upon this divisor, the polynomial by which we are dividing. So here you have, let me write it here itself, 1 plus x square you take common, again you have 1 plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 5. So you take x to the power 4 common, you have 1 plus x plus so and so forth. X to the power 10 you take common, you have 1 plus x. Ultimately till x to the power 11 you have 1. Again these are also 12 terms, and when you take 1 plus x common, you get the other factor as 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 6 plus x to the power 8 plus x to the power 10. So these are 6 terms, and if you see carefully, you can take 1 plus x square common. So 1 plus x square you can take common from this and this and this, and what would you get? You would get 1 plus x times 1 plus x square times 1 plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 8. Yeah. And if you see a bit carefully, this expression you can write as what? 1 plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 8 times 1 minus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 8. Check it out. You can easily check it out. Why? Because you must already be aware that if you have, let's say, x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1, you can write it as x square plus x plus 1 multiplied by x square minus x plus 1. You can expand and convince yourself of this. And similarly, on the same line of thought, I have commented this. And the reason for factorizing it further is appearance of this this factor. Yeah, so I can say, let me divide this polynomial by this polynomial, and that's what we want, and we want the remainder effectively. So what we have is the dividend, so to speak, is 1 plus x square, 1 plus x to the power 4, 1 plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 8, 1 minus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 8, divide by, you have 1 plus x square, 1 plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 8. Yeah. So in a way you can say, okay, hey, I am cancelling this and this. I'm cancelling this and this. Yeah. And what I have is 1 plus x to the power 4 times 1 minus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 8 by you have 1 plus x. So if you expand, you get what? 1 plus x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 minus x to the power 8 plus x to the power 8 plus x to the power 12. I have just expanded it, 1 plus x. So this cancels out, and what you get is 1 plus x to the power 12 divided by 1 plus x. Now what will be the remainder when you divide 1 plus x to the power 12 when you divide 1 plus x to the power 12 by 1 plus x. So you can say you put x to be minus 1 in 1 plus x to the power 12 and you get remainder to be 2. Why? Because when you are dividing by a linear polynomial, the remainder is supposed to be a constant. That means polynomial of degree 0. Now, is this the answer? No, this is not the answer. Yeah. So before I tell you what is the answer, let me convince you of what we are about to do now. Suppose I want to find remainder when I divide 14 by, let's say, 4. So what will be the remainder? Remainder essentially would be what? 2. Very obvious. 4 times 3 is 12 and 2 will be the remainder. Yeah. But what if I tell you that, hey, 14 by 4, I cancel 2 in numerator and denominator, and what I have is 7 divided by 2, and I am having remainder 1. So 1 should be the answer. No, 1 should not be the answer. The answer is supposed to be 2. And the reason that you are getting 1 as the answer is why? Because you are divided, dividend and divisor both by 2. So your actual remainder would be what? Your actual remainder when you divide 14 by 4 is the remainder that you have got multiplied by the factors that you have cancelled out, and here the factor that you have cancelled out is 2. So your actual remainder is 2. Similarly, here my actual remainder would be what? If you see carefully, x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 minus x to the power 8 plus x to the power 8, I have a cancelled factor here. Yeah, the terms have got cancelled just like that when I expanded the numerator, or when I expanded the resultant dividend, so to speak. I mean, I shouldn't be using this phrase as such, but the point is, you got it, that we have eliminated factors from divisor and dividend at this point. 1 plus x square and 1 plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 8. So that means my actual remainder would essentially be what? My actual remainder will be 2 times 1 plus x square times 1 plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 8. Yeah, so essentially it becomes what? 2 times you multiply 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 6 plus x to the power 8 plus x to the power 10. And we were expecting the degree to be at max 10, and this is what we are getting as remainder. And the reason why we are saying this is the actual remainder, I have just justified here, and I hope you could understand and appreciate. So here answer is supposed to be D. Thanks for listening.